So guys, I have something to say. This is brand new. They actually have fidgets. Show you that. Right here is the infinity cube. This over here is just to relax you. Just throw it everywhere to relax you. Then over here we have our diamond cube. Our star cube. And also, for the price of doing, I made a fidget out of paper. This might look unrealistic, huh? It's real. So yeah, guys, this one's all to just throw around stuff. Hold on. Yeah, this is just throwing around. Yep, just to throw around and do whatever. It's being a little shiny, my phone. But here's the cube. You can do whatever you want to it. Just don't crush it. That's gonna make it hard to use. So that's today's video. So yeah, that was just 1 minute. Bye-bye.